Thank you very much, Fatima and Jan Ravinaka, and good morning to all of you. Co-founders of and board chair of Pasifika Foundation for Development, Rakin Wahid and Fatima Ahmed, CEO of FSEF, Mr. Kameli Mbatiweti, chair of the Young Entrepreneurship Council, Mr. Wadsen Nata, Bulavinaka, and it's a pleasure and an honor to be here today. Creativity and innovation are powerful, such powerful alliances. And I'm honored to be amongst a lot of young, and I see not so young and empowering individuals who are always thinking up new things and doing new things every day. Every day is an opportunity, and when I look around the room, I see budding stalwarts and industry champions of tomorrow. When Rakin reached out to our office with this invitation, it reminded me of the quote, "Art is a universal language understood by all." Can anyone imagine a world without art? We would have no paintings, no sculptures, architecture, poetry, music, literature, and dance. Everything would be so ordinary. Probably what this should read is, everything would be so boring. So my support and acknowledgement in your dedication to work with artists and entrepreneurs alongside the undertaking of the Pasifika Foundation for Development is one of genuineness. When we give young entrepreneurs the right support they need, we are securing our future and building a stronger foundation for young people to collectively shape their communities. Over the 2 days of consultations, we encourage you or want you to collectively identify the capacity building needs and co-create a needs-based training. This, of course, will be in tandem with your needs to strengthen this sector. The government of Fiji wants to build youth for the future, where they can achieve their potential through long-term sustainable and high-impact projects centered around the communities that need it most. The Ministry has a dedicated team called the MSME Fiji, in charge of developing MSMEs in the country. They have facilitated over 300 business trainings on financial literacy to over 7,500 individuals, and they've done a tremendous job of hosting business advisory services, coupled with monitoring and evaluation of businesses. I've actually been meeting a lot of MSMEs over the last few weeks, and in all of the meetings, I've been hearing about the significant potential the creative arts industry has. And from what I have gathered, we must find solutions to showcase your talent, whether it is through painting, dance, or music, to name a few, and make it a sustainable source of income for you. We are here to listen and to assist you in every way possible. Rakin is no stranger to the Young Entrepreneur Scheme, or YES program, offered by the Ministry, and as a YES grant recipient, we admire your passion to support your colleagues and peers to achieve their business dreams. A room filled with visionary entrepreneurs is so gratifying to see. So I encourage you all to reach out to my team, because we are here to help you achieve your business success. As a pilot project, in partnership with the U.S. Department of State Cultural Vistas and the Young Pacific Leaders Small Grant Program, this is an outstanding example of what co-partnership can achieve. So thank you to the government of the United States of America. I am told the outcome of the stakeholder consultation has a scope for an exhibition of the work of the training of the participants to showcase their creativity. And so I encourage you all, and those of you probably listening on TV, to save the date when it's announced. To our participants, you are the representation of our culture through art. You create with your own hands and creative minds that in itself is such a priceless talent. You are the link between our traditions and our culture. You must not forget that you will be tomorrow's job creators and the custodians of our art and culture in a world where many young people have become accustomed to the Western lifestyle. Coming back to today's event, I wish you all a rewarding time throughout the 2 days of active consultation, and wish the participants all the best in the planned panel discussions, group work and presentations, and open discussions alongside stakeholder presentations. Thank you for this opportunity to come and meet you, and may you have a wonderful couple of days together. Nak.